ka surjong phi ka thong jangi.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Meghalaya Ukongrat Kesama Uloong Hakasngi Baar Bakajila Kalapan Klan Bahaya ke Business Ecosystem Dakabaweng no Palat South Pa Telikian Bat ki kyndon Ban Penlong Yaka Sensyar Kadhar Kabak Hamsuk Bat Kamyadei Bat Kinong Bay Tingka Yakane Lakren Haka Jingbei Yaka Reverse Buyer Seller Meet 8,000 Akhunriu Kabalong Haka State Convention Center Hashilong Menteri Rangba Uloong bakini ki jingpen kala ki thmu ban pynsuk ya ki dukom trekam bat ban penlong ya ka sarkar ka bakham kloi ban jubab ya ka jingdon kam jong ki nong sengkam bat ki nong bei tingka ula bin rabru ba komba nyo photli ki kyndon laweng no nakabenta ki kambala bat la zangru ya ka unified investor portal ban pen kloi ya ka jingpen chai bat jingyo jingerap na ka sarkar
connecting Meghalaya comes to at least EU in these aspects. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we as a state, Meghalaya and the country, we are placed in a unique position to be able to take advantage even of these complex situations that are there. We need to create the right ecosystem. It's about the regulations that we need to have as a government. It's about the investments that need to be created by the entrepreneurs and the larger groups. It's about the logistics chains that we require to be able to transfer the products in a very, very efficient manner. It's about scaling the productivity so that an aggregator can come in and be able to provide that export to the buyer at a scale which will make sense for the particular buyer who's buying. And hence, all of this needs to be lined up. So what we're doing today is maybe the first step towards looking at that larger goal that we all should be targeting in the days to come. And again, I repeat myself what I said in the beginning. Yes, it is important to have these buyer-seller meets, but it is important to be practical. Even if we start small, I want that start to be a serious start. I want it to move forward. I don't expect that we will be having a $1 billion deal, MOU signed, and then suddenly everything flops tomorrow and there's not a single sale that is made. I think that will be the most disappointing thing that will happen. I'd rather not sign any MOU and have the sale that's taking place directly. I know a lot of people may not appreciate what I say, but I'm just speaking very straightforward. That does not mean that I'm discouraging you. Please don't think that. Absolutely not. I'm just telling you to be realistic and practical and realize the areas which we need to work on. So therefore, with these thought process in mind, let me also share that Meghalaya has been making a lot of, taking steps forward to create that ecosystem. I use this word a lot because I believe in it a lot. Whether it is ease of doing business, the percentage in terms of the steps that Meghalaya has taken may be one of the highest in the country today. The number of steps that we have taken to deregulate the different regulations that are there or were there in the system, more than 400, if I'm not wrong, 400 different regulations were removed. In Labour Department alone, about 70 regulations were removed. In fact, we were one of the worst in the country, but because of the hard work of the departments that were concerned, we are now today in the top 3 in terms of the number of deregulations being made. We have a unified portal for investors to come in with seamless process where they'll be able to get all the clearances required, which of course every state is doing. But I'm sharing with you because we also are now working and competing